Good day everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about words there and it and the differences. How do we say it was rainy or there was rain? If you are not sure, stay with me and watch this video. After this video we'll also have a free quiz so you can practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. So, when do we use there and it? We use there when we are talking or asking about something new. For example, there is a wonderful museum in our city. I'm introducing the museum. Someone may not know about it yet. Or there are amazing parks in our area. There are many people at the shops on Saturday. We are talking about the existence of many people in that place. Is there a supermarket nearby? Asking if such a place exists in the area. We use it when we talk about a specific thing, situation and so on, something that is not new. The speaker and the listener already know exactly what it is referring to. Did you watch the new movie last night? It was amazing. Both people know it refers to the film. I lost my phone, but I found it under the sofa. Both know it refers to the lost phone. The weather is terrible today. It's been raining all day. Both understand it refers to the weather. Please compare. They work in a big city. There must be a lot of traffic during rush hour. They work in a big city. It must be stressful to commute every day. It means traveling in a big city. She works in a hospital. There must be many patients every day. She works in a hospital. It must be exhausting to deal with emergencies all the time. It means working in a hospital. Talking about the rain, the correct sentences are: it was rainy in the morning. There was a lot of rain in the morning. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.